Hi, this is Alison Burt from Count on Me Accountant. Another short video which I hope you're going to find useful, and that's covering the subject of accounts and tax returns. What type of business have to submit, what type of accounts and tax returns, and when do they have to do it? So sole traders. A sole trader is somebody who has a business, they work alone, and they have not formed a limited company. So they have to submit a self-assessment tax return which needs to include all the sole trader's business income. It's worth mentioning here that a sole trader might also have a job. That's perfectly okay. Somebody might have a job where they work for somebody else and then just have a small sideline business on the side of that. Either way, they have to inform HMRC about their income through the process of self-assessment tax returns. Okay, that includes a sole trader's business income and any other income they may have. So if you like, a sole trader has just one job to do, and that's the self-assessment tax return. The next group I'm going to talk about are partnerships. A partnership must submit self-assessment tax returns which include their percentage share of the business income. Now, a partnership, let's say it's got two people. In a partnership, almost always the partners have equal shares in the partnership. And so what will happen is the two partners will each submit a self-assessment tax return, and including that 50% of the business's income. They both submit that, and so HMRC is informed of the entire business. But the partnership itself also must submit a tax return to HMRC. So there's two stages to this. The sole trader had just one tax return to do. The partnership has two kinds of tax returns to submit. The third category is limited companies. To start a limited company, I'm not going to get too into that because it's another quite big subject. If you become a limited company, then you have directors. Those directors certainly do have responsibilities, so you have to think carefully about that, but that's another video, I think. A limited company must submit accounts to Companies House. So we've introduced a new thing here. The accounts must be submitted to Companies House. And the company itself has to do a tax return, and that must be submitted to HMRC. And also the directors have to submit a self-assessment tax return to HMRC. So there are kind of three layers to this. So there we go. That's just an oversight. Obviously, it's a very complicated subject. Let us help you though. Contact us on 07921 844 or if you prefer, that's the email address, accounts@countonmeaccountant.co.uk. It's a free consultation. Phone or email, we'll happily have a chat with you. We might be able to resolve your question in a few minutes. Perhaps we can offer some ongoing support. It's a free consultation and there is absolutely no obligation, and we would really be pleased to hear from you at any time. Just a reminder, that's us, Count on Me Accountant. Okay, take care and all the best.